Okay, so this is going to be a walkthrough of how to cross the border between Colombia and Ecuador on a motorcycle. This is the Ipiales border. So basically, right after these tents, there's motorcycle parking right there. You just park your bike right there. It's usually pretty safe. There's a lot of people exchanging money or just kind of helping you throughout the whole immigration process. So I think they kind of like police that part and make sure there's no one stealing or anything like that.
Por allá.
Yes, you can just park there. I mean, I would still secure all my stuff.
Oh, chévere.
¿No? ¿Ya lo hizo?
Sí, ya lo hice.
Eso, a ella le toca presentarse allá, ahí del lado extranjeros.
Esa línea grande.
No, ahí del lado extranjeros. Aquí arriba hay un
cartel.
Sí, ahí dice extranjeros, es la fila más corta.
Oh, ok, dale. Gracias.
All right, so once you check out immigration, it's usually pretty easy. I would recommend going on a weekday. I went during a holiday weekend and it was just crazy. It took me like 3 to 4 hours. After you do the immigration with Colombia, then you head to the Ecuadorian Immigration Center and you can park your bike right in front. It seems like you can't, but yeah, I've seen people go through like the little sidewalk or they went through the area that I went through, as you'll see from the army personnel.
Para ingresar la moto, para ingresar la moto y mi inmigración.
Ahí es.
Ahí puedo parquear adentro.
Sí, aquí adentro.
Okay, gracias.
All right, so first you go to the Ecuadorian Immigration Center and you check in, like you have your passport check in, and then you go to Customs, which is this building right here on the left, where those tinted windows are. That's Customs, and there's no line, so you basically just have to go in there and ask them what the process is or what do you need, or what you want to do. So I recommend that you you go up to those windows. There's no line. They don't call out your name or anything like that. Just go up to the one of the ones you see open, or if you see somebody talking to someone, I would even go up and politely ask what the process is. So they're gonna ask you for your passport. They actually might ask you for your passport and then to hold your line, and that's a line for them. So they're gonna ask you for your passport, maybe a driver's license, the title, the registration of the motorcycle. For Ecuador, you don't need a SOAT or you don't need an insurance. And then they're gonna ask you to take a picture of the VIN and the motorcycle, or they're actually going to go out there themselves and take a picture of the VIN and the motorcycle. Once that's done, they're going to give you a paper. It states that you're bringing the motorcycle to Ecuador and from what time to what time, and it aligns with your visa. It's also very important that you don't overpass that with customs, because they're very strict about it, and I think she told me that the fee would be $500 if the motorcycle stays more than 1 day in Ecuador. So yeah, just be aware of that. There's a way to extend your motorcycle as well in Ecuador. And I can do another video of that when I did that in Cuenca. And it's pretty easy and there's no cost to it. So it's really great.